shadow by the speakers, and it hit just right. She's my girlfriend's girlfriend, she's looking like you. Black lipstick, pink guitar, doing what we do. I'm squeaking in the mirror like a cursed cartoon. Heart-shaped fangs singing under a blood-red moon. Velcro kisses, sticky stitches, everything collides. Fur and feathers, boots and buckles, tangled up in pride. I'm laughing in the dark like it's only like it's true. When the chorus drops, I'm pointing straight at you. My girlfriend's girlfriend looks like you, she's my girl too. My girlfriend's girlfriend, kiss me twice, make the spell come through. My girlfriend's girlfriend, triangle joke, but I mean it, boo. My girlfriend's girlfriend, three hearts up in a coffin-shaped room. Organ swirls like a seance in a candy store. Nail me riff stomps, but I'm squeaky too to the core. 90s groove with the swing and the snare. I'm a helium demon with a lovesick stare. Sweaty velvet, sticky Velcro, squeal when we combine. Latex hugs, zip it up, draw a crooked little line. Play it cute, play it wicked, play it semi-ironic, but the way you pull me close, yeah, it feels iconic. Fur and feathers, cross and leather, all our halos bend. We don't do the rules, we just loop and meet, then we ascend. I'm turbinated to confessions in a minor key perfume, then I scream it like a choir in a kitty. My girlfriend's girlfriend looks like you, she's my girl too. She's my too. My girlfriend's girlfriend, kiss me twice, make the spell come through. My